Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I am going to show you how to redeem a free gift MegaBox in Brawl Stars using a QR code. Now get ready for some epic rewards. First, you will need to find the QR code for the free gift MegaBox. These codes are often released during special events, promotions, or through Brawl Stars official channels. Make sure you have a valid code. Now, open Brawl Stars on your device and navigate to the settings menu. Now select the QR code scanner from the list of options. Position the QR code in front of your device's camera and scan it using the in-game scanner. Ensure the code is clear and properly centered. And after the QR code is successfully scanned, the MegaBox will be added to your account as a free gift. Now go to your reward section to open the MegaBox and enjoy the items inside. And that is how you redeem a free gift MegaBox in Brawl Stars using a QR code. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.